Oppo is all set to bring a new tablet to the market. This will be the flagship Oppo Pad 3. While the official details are still not available, leaks and rumors are keeping us entertained. A new leak has emerged and reveals all key specifications of the high-end tablet.coming Oppo Pad 3 could become the most capable Android tablet of its time, and most of its specs have been leaked by the prolific Weibo user who goes by Digital Chat Station. Let's check out the information. Digital Chat Station, a reputable tipster in the tech industry, recently posted on the Oppo Pad 3. Starting from the design, the Pad 3 will have an all-metal body. This ensures a premium experience over a plastic build. The sleek design and premium build quality are essential in the high-end market. According to the tipster, the Pad 3 will feature a 12.1-inch LCD panel. It will offer a high 3K resolution. Additionally, the tablet targets gamers with its 144Hz refresh rate that reaches a peak brightness of 500 nits. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The device was launched with Android 13-based ColorOS 13.1. In the camera department, the Oppo Pad 3 is likely to 13MP rear camera and a 5MP front shooter. Running the beefy hardware is a 9,510 mAh capacity battery with 67W fast charging support. I am excited about the Oppo Pad 3, particularly for the high performance the tab will bring to the market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.